Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and these are your teasers for Sibongile and the Dlaminis this week. Monday, the 17th of February 2025, Wenzo is overwhelmed following the finalization of his divorce, and his efforts to seek solace in Sibongile don't fly when she too is grappling with her own disappointments. In a moment of catharsis, Phetheni finally finds level ground with her mother. On Tuesday, the 18th of February, Phetheni is torn apart by guilt, haunted by the lies she told her children about Nengelosi. Heartbroken and lost, Sibongile faces the crushing reality of being crossed out from the Amatshitshi group. Jengaye's excitement spiraled into unintended pressure on Themba. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, to Phetheni's fury, Nengelosi takes over the household and she wants her gone. Themba is under pressure from Jengaye to play well and gets scouted. He wins man of the match, but his win stirs up jealousy in Wenzeni. Guys, it looks like it's going to be an interesting week. I don't really know why Usibongile would be kicked out of that Amatshitshi group, but listen, Haibo, their requirements are very high. I mean, that Amatshitshi group, they should just have a rule with Ashjoli, because you cannot be doing izinto zamatshichi, attending those things as ningi kangaka and still have time for umjolo. Never days. Unjengaye, guys, he needs to, I don't know what he needs to do with Uwenzeni, because I feel like there's always going to be that jealousy that Uwenzeni has on Themba, because Themba seems like he's an overachiever and he just seems to be good at everything. Now, I'm curious to know if Nengelosi and Phetheni's relationship will ever be mended. And it looks like things are going to be going well for them this week. But my question is, does that mean that Usamke's plan failed, you guys? Because Usamke just wanted to make Phetheni's life a living misery by letting Nengelosi back into her life. Anyway, guys, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.